Welcome to another video. Today we're going to make a running system. First we're going to do is go to start player script and create a new local script. I'm gonna name it running. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna add comments as well. You don't have to do this, but I just like to. So players and get servers players. So here we're gonna get the players and then user input service. This is for the getting the keyboard and it's like input, and then we're gonna go variables, local player equals players. Then what we're gonna do is get the character. So character equals player character added. Wait. Or we're gonna do or player character. So this waits for the character to be added, and if it's not like waiting too long, and this is true, then we're gonna get this. So what we're gonna do is add the humanoid as well. Character, motor channel, load, and then actual run time. Okay, so user input service input again, connect, and we gotta have as variables is input, this is any, and game process, this is boolean. Game process is for if it's not true, that means the player is not in the chat and we can run this, and the input is the key we're using, that like the input we get. So what we're gonna do is if input dot key code equals enum key code dot zo left control and not game processed. Wait, let me check something. Oh, key code, yeah, the key code. Just because I put the type checking. And what we're gonna do is now a running variable. Forget about that. Then we're gonna do is running equals false. Then what we gotta do is running equals to true, and humanoid walk speed equals to, I'm gonna do double the normal one, so 32, and then else if it's not true and not false, then we're gonna do is running equals to false and humanoid walk speed equals to 16. Okay, let's try this out. So I'm walking normally, and if I press this, it's running. If I press it again, it's not running anymore. Okay, so this was the first part, and let's do the next thing. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is adding particles. I already got myself some particles, so you get yourself some as well. And the first thing we're gonna do is put it into running. Right here, and we're gonna then enable equals false, and then so the next thing, so we can add it to the player, we gotta get clones of the particle. So we're gonna do particle clone 1 equals to particle clone, and particle 1 the parent equals character white for child right foot, and this is 5, and then just copy paste this, put it here, rename it like that, and do this left foot. Okay, so the particles are in the feet of the player, so the next thing we have to do is enable them. To enable them, we have to just enable them. So we're going to do particle clone 1 enabled is true, and particle clone 2 enabled is true as well. And then copy paste this, put it right here, false, false. But what you're gonna see now, it's always enabled, even if you don't walk. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna do humanoid, the jumping. So if the humanoid is jumping, that it's not enabled anymore. So we're gonna do is jumping, it's boolean, and then so if is jumping, then particle 1 enabled equals false, particle 2 enabled equals false as well. So now, but if we start jumping, that means it's not enabling anymore afterwards. So we're gonna do is humanoid the wait, I forgot something, and running. That is important. Then we're gonna do running connect function, and so if running equals to true, then particle clone 1 enabled equals true, particle clone 2 enabled equals true. Okay, so this is the particle. Let's try it out. So as you see, and if I press this, there's particles coming, and if I jump, they're not, and it's back. So this was another part, and now we're gonna do the next one. Okay, so now we're gonna change it that the field of view is gonna twin out. So to do this, we gotta do a new function. Let's call it local function FOV tween. We're gonna do the amount of it, and let's do this. And so we gotta do as well is get tween service. So local tween service equals game get service tween service. Okay, and so we're back here now. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. We gotta get the camera. To get that, we gotta do camera equals to workspace dot current camera. Okay, so now down here, local tween info equals to tween info dot new. Let's do time 0.3, and the style. So I'm gonna do let's do back, and then direction out. Okay, so now local tween service create camera tween info, and field of view equals CME amount or 70. So if this is nil, it's just gonna do the default one. And tween and play. Okay, so we're gonna do it here, FOV tween, and let's do like let's just do 90, straight off 90, and then here we can just leave it on nil, like nothing. So it just do 70. Okay, let's try it out. And if I'm running, it's zooming out. If I'm not, it's like this again. Okay, that's good. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and this was it.